Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to pin a live comment on Instagram. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to click on this icon up here, after which you simply click on live. Once you're on live, you simply need to start the live. So it's actually checking your connection. So after checking your connection, Mokobe Tech just actually joined. So for you to pin this comment, you simply click on the comment. After clicking on the comment, you simply choose pin comment. Thank you guys. We are just on pinning our comment. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.